I think the secret for making a pie crust is just being patient. I actually just make one pie crust for all of my pies. I don't mix it up. I use the same pie crust for sweet pies as I do for savory. I know there's lots of recipes out there where you can change it up or add like oatmeal or like a shortbread, but for just like a classic no fail pie, it's just your basic ingredients of flour, a little bit of sugar, a tiny bit of salt, and shortening or butter. And also, the secret there is your water, the temperature of your water, as well as the temperature of the fat that you're using. So, if you're using shortening or butter, I highly recommend freezing them and getting them as cold as possible. Then I cut them down almost like I'm shaving them as thin and as loosely as I can. And then I combine it and then coat each one almost like you were coating like chicken nuggets or something. And then the other secret that I have found is your water. When you want your water to be as cold as possible. So I'll put my water in the freezer, and I know it's done when the very top of it gets like that thin layer of like frozen ice. Doesn't need to be thick at all. It just needs to kind of start to ice over. Then you know your water's done. And again, just be patient with it, be patient with yourself, and then also don't overwork it. And there will be times when you're tempted to add more water. It feels like the dough's not coming together, but I promise you, with the fat that you have in there and that water, you have enough moisture. It's just having it come together and bind. So the secret that I have found to having your dough come together, if you're doing it by hand, is to do a technique called the baker's purse. So you could look that up, but it's all about really combining all the ingredients together and really compressing it really tight. And with time, it will come. And again, it feels like it's not going to, but don't overwork it, over knead it like bread, and keep it as cool as possible.